This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Headlight bulbs renewal. Pull the bonnet release handle located in the driver's footwell. Raise the bonnet slightly, lift the safety catch and raise the bonnet. It is supported by gas struts. Pull the retaining clamp upwards and remove the cover at the rear of the headlight unit. Pull the wiring plug from the terminals, push the bulb retaining spring clip in, move it sideways to disengage it from the hooks on the reflector, then pivot the clip away. Remove the bulb. Align the tabs on the bulb flange with the slots in the reflector socket. Then insert the new bulb to the headlight unit and secure with the spring clip. Reconnect the wiring plug, then refit the cover to the rear of the headlight unit. Lower the bonnet and close it securely.